welcome back to Finance Chapel YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a personal finance coach. I help individuals to create wealth and safeguard their money by educating them on their personal finance. Today, in this series of sessions, we are discussing about fearless investing and boundless returns. What is the meaning of that? So when you invest fearlessly, you can expect boundless returns. When you have a fear when you are investing, there may be a chances that you will lose out your hard-earned money. So today I'm discussing about 10 mistakes what people do in their investment journey. The number one mistake, that is following herd mentality. Whatever others do, you also do the same thing, and you are jumping on that, taking the decision, and you are jumping to take that investment. Have you ever checked whether that investment is suitable for you or not? Because you are an individual, you have different financial goals, your capacity of earning, your capacity of investing, your capacity of your risk appetite, everything is different. There is no one single solution for which is suitable for everyone. But for you, you have to make sure that what is suitable for you. Not you are jumping, not you are investing like others are doing. Number two, ignoring the power of research. Please do research about yourself. What do you want? Please do research about your skills, knowledge, your risk appetite. Do some checkup so that you can understand where you are standing at present. And based on that, you can take a calculative risk. So that is very, very important in your life. Trying to time the market. That is a third mistake what people are doing. They predict the market and lead into frustration. You cannot time the market. So make sure that you can do some research and you can understand the market and you can invest in the right places. Number four, overlooking the diversification. As I mentioned earlier in many of my videos, like don't put all of your eggs in one basket. You can take in some places, depend upon your goals, whether it is a short-term goal, mid-term goal or long-term goal, you can plan your investment accordingly. So are you doing that? If not, you have to make sure that there are various investment options which is suitable for you and which is giving you right return as per your financial goals. Number five, underestimating the impact of fees or penalties. You are taking a lot of financial services, maybe through banks, maybe some financial institution, maybe through credit cards and different various financial services which you are taking. Have you gone through the fees or like penalty or the interest, whatever you are paying? If you are not yet done, it is very important that maybe sometimes it may be a small amount, but it will impact a lot in your financial journey. Please make sure that you are knowing each and everything when you take any financial services or when you take any financial instrument. The fees, penalty, interest behind that, learn about that and then invest your money. Next very important thing is letting emotions drive your investment decision. Emotional investments always sabotage your long-term goals. So make sure that is the reason you have to do your financial planning. When you do your financial planning, you will exactly come to know that what is your goals, when you wanted to achieve it, how much money you require. Based on that, where to invest, and you are calculating even the inflation. When you do something based on your emotions, then maybe before time comes, you have to withdraw your existing investment, and that will not allow you to fulfill your financial goals. So make sure that you will not use your emotions when you invest your money. Then chasing high returns without understanding risk. Every financial instrument, even though whatever you say it is a safe FD, that is also coming with an risk. Government is giving you safety, giving you insurance only for up to 5 lakh rupees in FDs for your FDs. So make sure that everything comes with risk, but you have to understand what is the risk, so that you can take a right calculative risk and invest your money. Very important aspect, not having investment plan. When you plan for do your financial planning, make sure that you have an investment plan as well. Based on your existing resources, based on your earning capacity, you have to make sure that you have a concrete plan for that. Of course, sometimes it may changes. For that also, you should have a plan. If it changes, what is there for you? Next very important aspect is overreacting to short-term market fluctuation. You may have invested your money in mutual funds or maybe stocks. Like if there may be a market fall and maybe like you are panicking and like maybe you are withdrawing all of your money, but it may be a shortfall. If you are not aware about that, then it is very, very difficult. So that is the reason have a financial education. So then you can understand each and every aspects and the risk of each and every financial instrument. Once you know that, you can take a right decisions about that. Then last one, failing to monitor and adjust your portfolio. Maybe you have done your investment for long-term decision, that's okay, but make sure that the things will not act as per your terms. There may be some changes, there may be some economical conditions, there may be some market condition which is not favorable for you, or maybe some conditions which is favorable for you, so that you can book the profits as well. So make sure that you are reviewing your portfolio at least once in 6 months, once in a year, so that if there is anything which has to need to be changed, then you have to balance your portfolio and you have to make sure that you are aligned with your financial goals and you are achieving that financial goal. When you do that, then you have a lot of satisfaction in your investment journey as well, by knowing all the in and out about the investment options which is available for you. If you have not yet explored about that, then I'm creating an opportunity for you. I'm conducting 2 days, 12 hours workshop. That is Saturday and Sunday, coming Saturday and Sunday, that is 25th and 26th November 2023. So please make sure that you are taking off for that day and you are learning something about your investment. So make sure that you can take a right decision by having a right financial strategy for you. You are mastering your personal finance. You will come to know what is right and what is wrong for your financial goals. So see you there in my workshop. If you think that this is very, very useful for you, like that there are many people who are struggling, they may be not having the financial education. It may be your own close members, your own loved ones, your own colleagues, friends, whoever it may be. Like you, they have to get the right knowledge. Like you, they have to grow in their life. Like you, they have to get a financial freedom. Please make sure that you spread this YouTube video to maximum number of people, so that you are helping, you are impacting many more people in your life. I'll see you in my masterclass. Please subscribe and share this video to the maximum number of people, so that we will together grow in our life. Thank you. See you soon there.